Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to withdraw money from your DoorDash Crimson card. First, ATM withdrawal. Use your Crimson card at a MoneyPass fee-free ATM to withdraw cash without extra fees. If you use other ATMs, be aware that fees may apply. Next, cashback at stores. When making a purchase, simply request cashback at participating retailers to get cash instantly. Next, digital wallet transfer. Add your Crimson card to a digital wallet. From there, you can use a contactless ATM or transfer funds to apps like Cash App to access your money. And that's it. These are the easiest ways to withdraw money from your DoorDash Crimson card. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.